front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now click on this icon at the top left corner and select Clipboard over here. Finally, it's time to decide if you wish to enable it on your toolbar. If you do, click on gray switcher next to show the clipboard on your toolbar and go back to your keyboard by tapping on this arrow at the top left corner or this keyboard icon at the top right one. As you can see, now Clipboard is over here and you can click on it right away. To add a new clip from here, click on Add a new clip section, type in whatever you want to and choose Save. As you can see, my text is already here and it's pinned. If you want to delete it, you can click on this pin on the right. To unpin it, click on this pin on the left. You can pin it the same way. Now, if you want to use Clipboard traditionally, you need to copy any text and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. To use it after an hour, you need to pin it by clicking on pin icon on the left. To get rid of it, tap on pin 1 on the right and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!